Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. It's Scott. We're hanging out here in the Adirondacks. A lot of people have been asking me about my van. Here it is, 2021 Pleasure-Way Tofino, made by Pleasure-Way up in Canada. Let's check it out. So the first thing you'll notice is the van is actually built on a Ram ProMaster chassis. It's a Ram 1500, very dependable, very powerful V6 engine in there. On the inside, we have a large couch, which converts into a bed. We have a little dinette. So we have a kitchen top, like a range top, that's induction. We have a little sink. There's a fresh water tank and a black water tank on the van. We actually have a little electric refrigerator here. We have a propane fired heating system, and underneath the bench here is 2,000 watts of batteries with a electric inverter system. Here's the main control panel for the van. So you have all your lighting controls. You have your solar charger, you have your water pump. You know how much gray water, fresh water are in the van, how much propane that you have, and then obviously the propane for the Truma heating system, and the controls for that are all here. And like I said earlier, it's 2,000 watts worth of power. Here's the outlets, and there's some outlets in the back too. Here's one of the other things I really like about the van. The side door and the back door come with this Rolleaf screen door system. It's a bug screen. It's great because if you're somewhere and you want to sleep in the van, or if you need ventilation, you can just put this down and have tons of ventilation. So the van has these awning style windows that flip out. There's two here on this side, and then there's one on the sliding door. It's great for ventilation. So the back of the van is very typical from a Ram ProMaster. It does have a tow hitch on the back, and it also has a backup camera and actually a rear-facing drive camera. So when you're driving the vehicle and you look in the rear view mirror, you're actually seeing a video feed from the back. Some other options on the van. There's two electrical outlets here on the outside. And down here is actually a propane hookup for a grill, and that's your propane fill. So this is where all the business happens. On the left, you have your electric plug-in for shore power. You have your gas tank switch on and off. And then you also have your water inlet if you're gonna have water at a campground, directly plumbed into it. Main water fill to fill the tanks is on this side. Of course, it's locked. Down here is the exhaust for the Truma heating system. And then right here is your gray water drain. So one of the things I like about this van is the whole back of it is open. So you see we have an electrical outlet, we have a charging port for USB. This whole seating area actually flips down when you make the bed for the night if you're gonna sleep down here, which is great because I put all my camera gear here. It works perfect for me. I did do some modifications over here. I added some L-track, and I typically put camera bags right here, and I typically throw a bunch of stuff in this compartment here. And then, like I said, the rest of it's all camera gear. Camera backpack, drone, all that other stuff. It's all back here. So the van actually has an outdoor spray port, which is right here. So if you have some gear, you have muddy shoes or boots, or your tripod got muddy or something, you can basically just clean it off. Here's a great touch from Pleasure-Way. They actually gave us two of these remote controlled units that you could stick anywhere in the van, and it allows you to turn all the lights on or off in the van. So I have one here right by the back door, and then I have one up further by the front door. It's a great system, it really is. All right, that's it for the van tour. We've had it for about 2 years now. Like I said, the van, it's a 2021 Pleasure-Way Tofino. It's been great on the Ram chassis. We've driven it all over the country. We haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. Thanks for checking it out. We're going back to shooting. See ya.